April statistics are here and the pricing is down. Surprisingly, pricing is down. We'll get into that in a little bit. But here we are, market statistics. Just as a reminder, these come from GEPAR, Greater El Paso Association of Realtors. And these numbers lag a little bit. So we're actually looking at numbers for March, currently in April. That's just how stats work. And as a reminder, I put these videos together just for information so you know what's going on in the market, whether you're looking to buy, sell real estate, invest, or you just want to own real estate at one point. This is good information to know. So let's get started. Like I just said, the market statistics median sales price is down for April, which is surprising because we had been trending up all of last year, 2024. We were trending up in price, median price. This month is at 265. That's 1.3% decrease. So it's a minimal decrease. It's just unexpected. Not. I'm trying to figure out what caused that, but it's not something to worry about. It might just be homes. There is more homes on the market. I have seen homes go for a little bit less than listed. People are negotiating down just a little bit in some areas, so that could be the case. There is a little bit more listings. There was a little bit more listings. Now that's also down, but um, homes are staying on the market a little longer. That could all be the case. So let's see what the next months come as far as the median price point, but nothing to worry about. As far as closed sales go, this number was up quite a bit actually. 703 sales closed last month. So there is a little bit more activity, but then it takes us to active inventory, which is down. There's only 2,673 homes that were active in the market for March. That's a decrease of about 6%. So there's less inventory. Prices are down. Those numbers don't correlate. So it's interesting to see that. So we just have to see what the next months bring us and make sense of that, of course. And then the days on market, which is another number that we're looking at, that number went up as well. So prices are down, days on market are going up, 35 days on market. So that kind of correlates, but just 35 days on market is still no time on market. It's a very short time. I still see a lot of homes go active and then pending in a matter of days. So that's pretty common. If you see a nice listing priced well, it's gonna go real fast. If you go on the market on your house, you list it at a good price where it's attractive to buyers, it's gonna sell fast. So that's still the market we're in overall. That's the generic market we're in. Median price sold like per square foot, that number was actually 159, and it stays pretty balanced. That number also is a smidget higher than median price. Like this one went up, median price went down. So that's these numbers don't make sense this month. They're all over the place. There's no correlation. So that's interesting. But this number just is pretty flat. It went up like 1% from last month, but median price is down. Median price per square foot is up. I don't know. I don't understand. I'm a little confused myself. New listings are also lower. Active inventory was down. New listings was down. 1,050 homes went active in the market. So what that tells us is this has been consistent month over month over month, most of 2024, is listings are not there. I guarantee you there's more than 1,000 new people looking for a home this month. And there was only 1,050 homes that were listed. So that's where the opportunity is. If you're looking to sell, it's a good time because you don't have a lot of competition, and that's what makes making those days on market stay pretty low. At 35 days, it's pretty low. So consider that. I do get asked a lot. Well, can we get a deal? Where's the deal coming? I assure you, if you look at new homes, you're still getting a good deal. New homes right now are the best deal that you could get because the builders are giving you incentives. They're giving you a closing cost contribution to pay down your interest rate. They're giving you a landscape allowance. They're giving you all sorts of things to entice you to buy those homes. There's a little bit of overbuild in new homes, and then that's why those are there. And you could get a really good. I think you could get a good deal on a new home. Something that's on the market, like a spec out home, a home that's been listed, it's active, it's move-in ready. That's where you get the deals. If you want to build your custom home, you're not going to get much of a break there. If you're going to build a home from scratch, zero, you pick all the design, the colors, the granite countertops, everything you want to pick and select. You're not going to get a deal there. You're going to get a deal with something that's already move-in ready. So consider that. El Paso is not a huge city. We have new homes coming up in areas that are really accessible and close to everything else still. So that's my market stats. I think these numbers are funny. It's a market adjustment, I suppose, but I predict that this coming spring market, which we're just right around the corner for, is going to be a really strong spring market. There's going to be a lot of activity, a lot of movement, especially because we've been seeing the interest rates that kind of dip just a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit more accessible. So that's making people kind of get off the fence and start doing things. So that's my take. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and then I'll see you next month.